Interestingly enough, St. Lucia is the only country in the world named after a woman. Look, Domino's. I've heard of that place. The color choices are really great. This one, this one. And just like that, back to the boat.
It's massive. Something they, I guess, offer in hot ports. Yesterday, they have these cool towels put on the back of your neck. Thank you. Perfect.
There weren't any runners at this port. As far as I know, no one was ever left behind. Since I've never been on a cruise before, I am very curious to see how it all works.
I want to see the guys do the lines.
When the boat is ready to shove off, a crew goes to work to release all the lines that were keeping us in place.
Automatically pulled in by some sort of system.
In this case, a boat has to take a guy out here to do it. Well, that didn't take long.
Now we are free to sail away. And we're off. Next stop, Barbados.
But not without cruising Soufriere Bay. We stayed here for a couple of hours and took some pictures.